Good morning, everyone. My name is Juan Ibanez, and I'm going to talk about mobile devices GPS, a traffic monitoring opportunity. In these slides, I'm going to talk about how using mobile devices GPS as a localization network enables real-time traffic monitoring. The first thing we have to talk about is what is GPS. According to Tom Langston, GPS in full global positioning system is a space-based radio navigation system that broadcasts highly accurate navigation pulses to users on or near Earth. In the United States Navstar GPS, 24 main satellites in 6 orbits circle Earth every 12 hours. In addition, Russia maintains a constellation called GLONASS. Now, what this means is that if you have a GPS receiver and the GPS systems are available, you will be able to know where you are standing any place on Earth. Now, what this means is that if you have a GPS receiver and the GPS systems are available, you will be able to know where you are standing any place on Earth. But how does a GPS receiver actually work? Well, according to Tom Langston, in order for a GPS receiver to work, it uses triangulation methods done with measurements of how long it takes a signal from 4 different satellites to get into a certain point on Earth where the GPS receiver is. It calculates that distance and uses triangulation to identify longitude, latitude, and altitude. But the thing we must take into account is that it allows developers to gather latitude, longitude, altitude, time of a fix, bearing, which means the direction of someone, and the speed at which it is traveling. The most important sample use is that by gathering data from multiple GPS-enabled devices running Android and consolidating that data, Google is able to identify near real-time traffic conditions around the globe. The problem with today's GPS system is that it's a free version of the United States private GPS system. What happens with it is that it's not as accurate as other technologies and is only certain to locate yourself within 10 meters of distance of where you actually are. On the other hand, there are other technologies that do the same thing as GPS. GLONASS, which was developed by Russia, and Galileo, which is being developed by the European Union, do the same thing as GPS. They allow you to identify where you're standing in Earth. And people are starting to worry about what will happen if you combine all of these navigational systems. You will probably get a greater accuracy, so you will may be able to do other applications that are not possible right now. But all of that is still under research, especially because most of the navigational systems are still under development.